Hey Stitch Cuties, I'm Julie with Stitches of Love Quilting, and it's day 109 of Stitch365. Now today I want to show you what we have in our different kits for this Spring in the Hoop Stitch Along. Now this larger box has the Spring in the Hoop embroidery things. So what you get in here, I don't know if the camera can see this, whoops. Well, you get 4 spools of thread, you get 5 colored pencils. These are Prisma colored pencils, very nice. You also get a wooden display hoop, and you get the fabric, the felt, and the batting, the fusible batting that you need for this project. So those come in that kit. Let me just set this aside and I'll show you what we have in what we call the colored pencil starter kit. Now in this one, let me open this box real quick. What we have in here is a little, well, we have the bottle of fixative. Isn't this just the cutest little pot? Love it. And then we have a blending stump, we have a brown Pigma pen. What girl can't have enough brown Pigma pens? And then we have a little paintbrush that you'll use to actually apply the fixative. So, if you need any of these kits, you may go to our website and order these, or you can pick it up at your local box store. Happy stitching!